In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix HP DeskJet 2827e printer that is printing the blurry text. If the text is not clear, then you can follow this video to fix it. Switch on the printer and go to your smartphone, MacBook or your laptop and open the HP app. In the app, you will see your printer. Scroll down and look for the option Diagnostics. Under the Diagnostics, you will see Print Quality Tools. Select Print Head Alignment. This will improve the print quality. Click on it. Make sure you have the page in the printer. It will print the alignment page. On the screen, you will see it says Align Print Heads. Alignment page is printed. Click Done. Next step is to scan this page. Open the lid, remove any page you have on there, and then place this printed page facing down. So it should be like this corner, and then close the lid and click on the Scan Alignment page. This will improve the print quality and the blurry effect will go away. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.